Good morning, Green Math folks. So today we're talking about mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. So if I have a fruit salad and I'm mixing it together, does that mean that there's just one ingredient or that there's more than one ingredient? If it's mixed. Yeah, it means that there's more than one ingredient. So mixed numbers have more than one ingredient. They have whole numbers and they have fractions. So let's start with whole numbers. Let's make sure we remember what that is. A whole number is a number like 1, 2, 3, or 4, right? It is a whole pizza. Not part of a pizza, but the entire whole pizzas. Whole numbers. Whole pizza, whole numbers. And then fractions, of course, are part of the pizza. So if I have 5 pizzas, and then I give Kyrene and Alea and Tylen and Ben and Zakia each a piece. And then let's say I have 4 whole pizzas now, and then I just have 1 slice left of the 5th pizza. Then I would say that I have 4 1/8 pizzas. I still have 4 whole pizzas, and then I have 1/8 of my last pizza. So that would be 4 1/8, and that's called a mixed number. Okay, so to find out a mixed number, all you have to do is count out your whole numbers. So 1, 2, 3, there's your whole numbers. And then count your fractions. That is 1/4. And then put them together. That is 3 1/4. So on the first page, all you're going to do is write each of these as a mixed number. So you'll count your whole numbers and then write down your fraction. Okay? But on the back page, we are going to change whole numbers to improper fractions. So if something is improper, what does that mean? Well, let's break that word down. Proper. Something is proper, it's right, it's done in the right way. And im is our common beginning that means not. So improper means not done in the right way. So when we have fractions, what do we usually think is the bigger number? The top number or the bottom number? Which one would you picture is usually bigger with fractions? Yeah, the bottom number, right? Usually we see fractions like 3/4, right? Usually the top number is a little number and the bottom number is a bigger number. But if something is not done right, if it's improper, what number do you think would be bigger? Yeah, the top number. Mixed numbers have whole numbers. Improper fractions are just fractions, but the top number is bigger. So I'll show you what it looks like. So on the front page, I showed you what was it? What 3 1/4 looked like. To write it as an improper fractions, we would just count all of our pieces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 pieces. And how many pieces are there in one whole? There are 4. All right, let's try one more of these together. Let's do number 1, I guess. So we'll count our pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 pieces. And how many pieces are there in one whole? There are 4. So it would be written as 9/4. Okay. So we could say that 3 1/4 is the same as 13/4. Those are equivalent. So let's jump back to the other side. And it says, change mixed numbers to improper fractions. And then I give you a little clue. And I say, remember that 1/1, 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, 6/6, forever and ever and ever is equal to 1. Right? All of these numbers are 1. Right? 3/3, 8/8, 12/12. Right? Because there are 12 pieces in a whole, and I have all 12 pieces. So that's one whole. Okay? So whenever we have something like this, you are going to look and see, okay, what's my denominator? What's my bottom number? And it's 4. So how would I write a fraction that is 1 using fourths? And it would be 4 over 4. Okay, so I've got 4 over 4, but how many 1s do I need? 2. So I do 4 over 4 plus 4 over 4. And that is 8 over 4. And then I also have this 3 over 4 that I need to worry about. So 8 over 4 plus 3 over 4 is 11 over 4. And that is my final answer. All right, and then for this one, what is my denominator? 5. How would I make that 5 into 1? By doing 5 over 5, right? I've got 5 pieces, and if I have all 5, that would be 1 whole. All right, and then I just need how many 5 over 5s? I need 5. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 over 5s. And I put little numbers down there just so that I could remember how many I've done. If that helps you, do it. If it doesn't help you, then you don't need to do it. All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then I've got 1 3 over 5 to add. So 25 plus 3 is 28 over 5. Okay, so remember to figure out what your denominator is. And this one it's 4, and this one it's 5, and this one it's 8. And then you're going to count your 1s. And our 1s are just going to be 4 over 4, 5 over 5, 8 over 8, 7 over 7. Okay? So if you are someone that I've set up a time to call with, I will call you at your time and we can work through these. If you can get it done before, that would be awesome. And then we can just check our answers during our time together. Excuse me. We can check our answers during our time together, talk about our reading and our history. But if you need help doing it, give me a call while you're working on it, or you can wait until I give you a call, and then we can work through it together. Okay? If you don't have a time set up with me yet, please have your parents or guardians call me. I've been trying to call or email each of your parents or guardians, and I still haven't heard back from a few of you. So I'd love to get a time set up so that I can help you as you do your work, so you're not just all on your own. Okay? So I look forward to talking to you and getting your work. Bye.